Hello, my name is Meeta Chaturvedi, and I work in the research team here at Flux Markets. So I'm going to be talking about the price of oil today, something that you've seen blow up ever since the war in the Middle East has begun just a month ago. We're seeing oil prices reach above $100, just showing the extent of the supply shock from the Persian Gulf. However, if you look at my chart, we can see the actual scope of the shock actually lies in the physical market. This chart here shows the difference, the spread that is between the physical crude in Europe versus the paper market, such as Brent futures. And you can see how much this has widened since the war began in March, showing that the supply shock that the physical market has seen has not really materialized in the futures market. The same thing applies when you look at the difference between oil prices in Europe, such as in Brent versus the Dubai benchmark in the Middle East, which with the spread between the two falling to all-time lows. So where does this leave you? Does this mean that you're left with Brent and, can't really look at these more niche markets that actually reflect the price of your day-to-day lives with the fuel that you put in your cars and, just like the oil shocks that you're facing right now, a little more closely than Brent? Not exactly. If you look at this website right here, we're currently at flux.live, where if I look at our CFD trading platform for retail clients, I get taken to this particular website where you can see our list of CFD products across FX, metals, and retail global energy. Clicking on retail global energy, you can look at our contracts across outright prices, product diffs, and time spreads, showing the massive range of products in global energy that you can actually trade with Flux. Going on to product diffs, I'm interested in looking at the Brent physical premium, showcasing the actual premium the physical market has over the paper market. I'm fairly interested in the May contract, considering that this is soon going to be the prompt contract as we enter the new month just next week. Try your hand at this, look at the list of products we have, and try your risk reward in the oil market yourself.